here to investigate our modern garden. Let's go. A modern or contemporary garden is characterized by a sleek, streamlined, and sophisticated style. Modern garden design draw on the simplicity of Asian design practice. Generally, a modern garden places more focus on the architecture and materials than on the plants and greenery.
Perdana Botanical Garden, formerly Perdana Lake Garden and Public Garden. First large-scale recreational park measuring 91.6 hectares. It in the heart of the city and established in 1888. The park served as a place of refuge from the hustle and bustle of the city during colonial. The garden is located along Jalan Perdana or Venning Road.
The characteristic of modern tropical garden is the structure is imposed by hardscape. Next, the hardscape materials are mixed and matched. The third one is the water is kept on site. Next, the plants are grouped carefully. The last one is it play space are integrated into the landscape.
The hardscape are bench, stairs, walkway, curb, pedestrian walk, planter box, water features, light, boulders, pavement, signage, bench, trellis, topiary, and lamp post. For soundscape, flowering shrub, turf, tree, shrub, and fern.
Plants that used in modern contemporary theme are plants that will not go wild or become unruly and will maintain a uniform appearance. Plant species that can be used are plants with deep green hues, plants that classify as having a simple and minimalist feel such as hedges, specimen trees, bold foliage, and ornamental grass.
Most people assume that the benefits and uses we can see from people who visit Perdana Botanical Park is there are so many activities for users to do with. Among the activities that visitors can do is by spending their time with the family. Provision of an interesting playground can attract visitors to bring their children. Furthermore, the park is well-landscaped garden where people may roam about, relax on benches, enjoy the sweet smell of exotic flora as an outdoor wedding photo shoot. Also, the park has a lot of shady places where picnickers bond while enjoying the view. As we know, each park has its own ecosystem. It provides natural habitats for many different animals. Park is crucial to the healthy development in our city. Besides, it can reduce temperature that produced from city.
Garden that's meant to only grow a collection of arid or desert plants which may go extinct due to climatic change or harsh weather conditions in the areas of origin. The gardens are used for growing and managing plants that are hardy and as such don't need to be watered as much as the normal regular plants grown in an average garden. These plants are chosen for their ability to flower and thrive even in seasons that are harsh to the average normal climate.
The National Botanical Garden Shah Alam or Taman Botani Negara Shah Alam TBNSA, which was previously known as TPM, which was initially known as Bukit Cerakah Agriculture Park, was developed on 24 April 1986 with the area 817 hectares. It is the habitat of flora and fauna, also a recreational destination in the Klang Valley. The name TBNSA conferred the park now is line with the decision made by the Cabinet of Ministers in 2007 to further develop TBNSA, a replacement to TPM as National Botanical Garden. The garden was established on the forest reserve area of Bukit Cerakah, which served as a reservoir for the water for the pupil of Shah Alam. There are also few hills that can be hiked along the paved trail. The highest point is the Bukit Saputangan, 200 meter. There are lookout points that provide that view of city of Shah Alam.
The Arid garden characteristic is it represents the sparse treescape which is found in the semi-arid and arid areas of a country like Australia. Has a garden combines a hardy succulents with an arid. It also has a rocky landscape. The rocks create a warm and dry microclimate by storing heat and increasing the water runoff. It also contains the hardy and edible cactus.
The hardscape are archway, stone sculpture, steps, boulders, walkway, pond, signage, stepping stone, pebble and sand, and bollard art. The softscape are shrub, turf, palm, succulent, cactus, and fern.
Some of plant species that can grow in arid areas is drought-tolerant plants such as fleshy leaf succulents, small desert wildflowers, shrub and trees with waxy, leathery, fusy or very small leaves all thrive in hot, dry environments. Some of the species for arid areas are cactus, succulents, cycas, palm, euphorbia species, and yucca.
Filled with both captivating views and significant information of plant life as a center of education, scientific research, and conservation for the development of botany, horticulture, agriculture, and other related fields. Next, it's well functioned for people to spending their time by doing activities such as flying fox, cycling, archery, jungle trekking, and many more. It can help us to reduce stress and being more active and outdoors. Also, it is good for our mental health.